Okay, so today we're going to do a compression test on a 2001 Honda Accord. First thing you want to do is either disable the ignition system or the fuel system. In this car we did this by disconnecting the connector to the fuel pump relay, which is underneath the driver dash. It's a brown connector. Second thing you want to do is remove all the spark plug wires, which we did. You then also want to remove all of the spark plugs, which you can see all of them are gone as well. You want to remove the air cleaner element, make sure that's empty. And you also want to make sure that the throttle plate is stuck all the way open. So we have an extension in there for right now, just holding that open. First thing you want to do then is screw in this first part here. That screws right into where the spark plug goes. And then you connect this connector to that. There we go. I'm struggling today. Alright, so we've got our connector connected. Our pressure is empty, it's at 0. I'm going to have Daniel crank it. You want to crank it for about 4 cranks. Okay. So you can see here that our pressure for this cylinder number 1 is right about 200 psi. You then always want to relieve the pressure using this button down here. That way you don't damage anything. And that's our compression for cylinder number 1. So now we've moved on to cylinder number 2. We screwed in our fitting into that spark plug hole, and we've got our set up. So I'm going to have Daniel crank the engine again. So you can see that one is looking like it's at about 190 psi. And you want the psi to be within 25% of each cylinder. So since cylinder 1 was at 200, within 50 psi is what our goal is. So we're at 190 for cylinder 2. Alright, now we're tapped into cylinder 4. So we'll have Daniel crank it again. Alright, so that one is looking like it's around 205 psi. So all 4 of them were within our 25% range. So that means that this engine's got good compression. And after that, you just want to put everything back together.